Okay, I guess everyone want to be rich. So far you need few things, I would say coding and freelance, but where to learn these things? Today we will talk about these things. Take a tea and let's get started. Let's start from learning coding and languages like Python or C++, whatever. Most easiest and famous language for you gonna be Python. You will quickly understand this language than other languages. If you want to learn other languages or you already know Python, you can learn other languages on my channel. But if you didn't learn base, you can go on W3 School website, there you will understand base. After, you can go on my channel to learn more than base staff. Go on W3 School website, there you can learn base off any language which you want. You can sign up or log in if you want to. Let's go for example on Python tutorial. You can test your code and get result. Also you can test your memory and how you learn lesson doing exercises. System will check you did it right or you did mistake. Also if you give up, system will give you answer. You can do there some quizzes or etc. I will put link for website in descriptions. After W3 School you can go on my channel to learn more. For example, when you learn in W3 School how to print hello world, on my channel we will create own games, HTTPS requests, security protection, and other cool stuff with free source code.
Okay, if I learned some coding stuff like Python, C++, I was 2 years in this languages, what I need to do next?
If you was 2 years in Python and in C++, it is pretty cool, but it is not enough. You should know how to work with other systems like Apple or Linux or Windows. If you already know how to work with them, congratulations, now we can go forward to freelance and earning money. Now I will explain to you how freelance works and how to earn money there. First, the main 3 reliable freelance exchanges is Fiverr, Quark, and Upwork Talent. If you will find other freelance exchanges, maybe they will works for you to earn money, but they will be not reliable. My advice to use only this 3 freelance exchanges, but it is only your choice what to do next. Okay, now let's talk about this freelance exchanges. Every exchange little bit different by style, but they have same logic. So, every exchange can have age limitation. Upwork Talent have it, at least 18 age old, but Quark and Fiverr don't have that. Every exchange working like a shop. In shop you can be a seller or buyer. If you want to earn money you should create account like a seller, then create account like a buyer in your seller account. Also you can't create buyer account on phone, you need to do that on desktop. When you finish do that you will see your seller account and buyer account. You can switch accounts by clicking on them. When you finally finish create your accounts in your buyer account, you will have option to create Quark. This mean now you can publish things which you want to sell. For example, there you can upload image of your product, name and price. The main problem Fiverr, Quark, Upwork Talent, so famous and you will have big competition in orders. My advice to advertise your account in YouTube or other social networks. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I know this video was short, but I wish this video was helpful for you. And now you understand more about freelance and coding. Now you know where you can learn coding and where you can freelance. Don't forget subscribe on me. All links for my social networks gonna be in comments. If you want you can sponsor me on this number of card. Okay, again thanks for watching, bye.